talk about sex. You must understand that there is right and wrong. At the same time, there is no right and no wrong. We live in a very contradictory reality. You know, what could be right one day can be wrong another day or for another person. At the same time, there is a clear yes and a clear no. So what I'm about to share about sex, you have to listen to with an open mind. Sex is healthy. There is no shame around wanting sex, about being curious about sex or anything. In fact, you gotta learn healthy things about sex, because what we have learned about sex throughout our life is from unhealthy sources like porn, or like people saying like, oh, it's so shameful, you should not have sex and all of that. And just because sex is good does not mean that you should have it too often or with too many people. When we are having sex too often with too many people, it confuses our energetic field, and then the people, we are having sex with, how they are feeling about us, their traumas, it really does affect us. As women, we are so receptive to everything, and a lot of people are not taking care of their energy. They are drinking, smoking and eating bad food, and they have like bad beliefs about themselves. They will destruct your own, you deserve the best. You deserve the absolute best, and best orgasm, best sex. But you will be able to enjoy the sex only when you feel, deeply safe. When you are having sex just with anybody out of lust, out of your uncontrol, like you're not able to control yourself, that will lead to futility and void. Your sexual energy is so powerful and potent. Look around you. That energy of creation, that is why there are so many galaxies. There are animals under the water. There are multiple flowers, and fruits, vegetables and animals and different kind of human beings, because they are all created with the energy of creation, and your sexual energy is that energy of creation. So you can create so much magic with it. I have a video on YouTube how to manifest with orgasm. But still, if you are not using it wisely, you can use it unintentionally to destruct yourself, because when you are having mindless sex, you are bringing more void into your life. It will create more void, more destruction, more hopelessness, helplessness. And if you want to step into your magic energy, you should definitely join my course right now. Step into your magic. Link is in the bio. The energy of this course is so powerful. It will definitely